Interesting and amazing things you did not know about dogs. Let's go. A dog's nose is one of the most powerful sensory tools in the animal kingdom, capable of detecting scents at concentrations nearly 100,000 times weaker than what humans can smell. This incredible ability comes from the millions of scent receptors packed inside a dog's nasal cavity, which can number in the hundreds of millions depending on the breed, compared to only about 5 million in humans. In addition, dogs possess a specialized structure known as the vomeronasal organ or Jacobson's organ, which allows them to analyze complex chemical signals and pheromones that humans cannot perceive at all. Unlike humans, dogs can smell in layers, meaning they are able to separate and identify individual scents within a mixture, such as distinguishing one specific person's trail among countless others in a crowded area. Their wet noses also play an important role, as the moisture helps trap scent particles from the air and ground, making each sniff far more effective and detailed. Dogs even exhale through the slits on the sides of their noses, which helps circulate new air and keeps scents constantly flowing toward their receptors. Because of this extraordinary sense of smell, dogs are invaluable in tracking criminals, locating missing persons during search and rescue missions, detecting illnesses such as cancer or diabetes, and even sensing changes in human emotions through subtle chemical signals released by the body. That powerful nose is only part of the equation, as a dog's physical build is equally adapted to support these demanding tasks, seamlessly translating scent into swift, efficient movement. Dogs are naturally built for running, with bodies designed to balance speed, endurance, and agility in ways that vary widely by breed and purpose. Their flexible spines act like powerful springs, allowing them to stretch and contract with each stride, which increases both speed and efficiency while reducing the energy needed to run. Many dogs use a gait known as the double suspension gallop, where all 4 feet leave the ground twice during a single stride, creating moments of complete airborne motion that allow for rapid acceleration and smooth movement. Powerful hind legs provide strong propulsion and drive the dog forward, while well-developed shoulder muscles help stabilize the body during fast turns or uneven terrain. Their padded paws absorb shock, protect bones and joints, and provide traction, enabling dogs to run long distances without serious injury. Some breeds, such as greyhounds and whippets, are built for explosive speed and can reach over 40 miles per hour, while others, like huskies and border collies, are designed for stamina, capable of running for miles without tiring. This remarkable ability to run is rooted in dogs' evolutionary history as hunters, herders, and working partners to humans, making running not just a form of exercise, but an instinctive and deeply ingrained behavior essential to their survival and purpose. This instinctive athleticism extends all the way to their paws, which are perfectly adapted to support running, digging, gripping, and countless other activities essential to a dog's survival and daily life. A dog's paws are remarkably specialized, designed to handle a wide range of terrains and temperatures while providing balance, protection, and traction for every type of movement. Thick, leathery pads cushion the bones, joints, and tendons in their feet, absorbing the repeated impact of running, jumping, and landing, which helps prevent injuries even over long distances or rough surfaces. Within these pads lies a layer of fatty tissue that acts as natural insulation, allowing dogs to walk on scorching pavement in the summer or icy snow in the winter far more comfortably than humans could. Beneath the surface, sweat glands in the paws serve a dual purpose, regulating body temperature and releasing scent markers that dogs use to communicate with other animals, marking territory or signaling social cues. The pad's rough, textured surfaces improve traction on slippery, rocky, or uneven terrain, while their strong, curved nails provide extra stability, aid in digging, climbing, and gripping, and even help propel them forward during running. Some breeds also have webbing between their toes, which enhances swimming ability and adds extra support when walking on soft ground. All of these features combine to make a dog's paws an essential and highly evolved tool, supporting nearly every aspect of their daily life, from play and exploration to hunting, working, and navigating their environment safely and efficiently. Beyond their physical adaptations, these capabilities set the stage for something deeper, as a dog's body supports not only movement and survival, but also the complex emotional lives that shape how they connect with the world around them. Dogs have a surprisingly rich emotional world that plays a major role in how they interact with humans and other animals in their environment. They are capable of feeling emotions such as joy, excitement, fear, stress, affection, and contentment. And they express these feelings through clear and recognizable body language like tail movement, ear position, posture, facial expressions, and eye contact. Dogs are especially sensitive to human emotions, often picking up on small changes in facial expressions, tone of voice, body language, and even subtle scents linked to emotional states, which allows them to respond with comfort, alertness, or excitement depending on the situation. Strong emotional bonds form between dogs and their owners, supported by the release of oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone, during positive interactions such as petting, playing, training, and sustained eye contact. These bonds can lead dogs to show loyalty, attachment, and a desire for closeness, sometimes even experiencing separation anxiety when apart from their owners. Although dogs may not experience complex emotions like guilt or pride in the same way humans do, they do show emotional responses tied closely to learning, trust, routine, and social connection. This deep emotional awareness is one of the key reasons dogs are such effective and beloved companions, enabling them to form strong, lasting relationships and adapt closely to human social life. This strong bond between dogs and humans did not develop by chance, but alongside the careful shaping of breeds, each molded over generations to fulfill particular roles, environments, and human needs. Dog breeds are incredibly diverse, with each one developed over many generations to perform specific tasks and adapt to different environments and human needs. From herding livestock and guarding property to hunting game, pulling sleds across frozen landscapes, or simply providing loyal companionship, selective breeding has carefully shaped dogs' size, strength, instincts, intelligence, and behavior. This is why breeds can vary so dramatically in appearance, ranging from tiny chihuahuas that can fit in a person's arms to massive Great Danes that stand as tall as some humans, as well as differences in coat type, color, ear shape, tail length, and facial structure. Breed differences also strongly influence temperament and energy levels, with some dogs being highly active, focused, and driven to work, while others are calmer, more affectionate, and better suited to relaxed home environments. Certain breeds are known for problem solving and independence, while others thrive on constant human interaction and guidance. Despite all these differences, every dog breed belongs to the same species and shares the ability to communicate, bond, learn, and understand humans in similar fundamental ways. This remarkable variety is one of the main reasons dogs are so adaptable and well suited to fit into countless lifestyles, cultures, and roles around the world. And that wraps up today's look at some of the most interesting and amazing things you probably didn't know about dogs. From their incredible abilities to their deep emotional connections with humans, dogs continue to surprise us in ways that go far beyond being man's best friend. Whether it was a surprising ability or a little known thing, there's always something new to discover about our canine companions. If you are interested in another favorite pet for humans, click the next video about cats. Thanks for watching.